And they're actually starting a magazine called Diecast Heroes. You can find that on Instagram also. And it is going to be a magazine with custom Hot Wheels and diecast and all stuff like that. And it involves myself, Fireball Tim Lawrence, and the guys from Superfly Autos. And I believe Bruce Pascal is going to be involved in it. Also Larry Wood. And welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got some cool stuff for you. We went shopping, we got some mail stuff, so let's get right to it. Valentine's Day, I know it's over, but got these at Walmart, actually a little bit before Valentine's Day. You know, I get to hang on to this stuff and then collect it all and show it to you all at once. Now these usually end up going really, really quick. I know. I'm sorry. I should have let you know back when I did get them. But I believe I have every year that they came out. Whole bunch of them. So if you are into the odd stuff like I am, they were at Walmart and $2.48, and they're with the other Valentine's stuff for all the kids. So it is 12 Valentine. With 12 stencils. That's cool. You get to make some, your own Hot Wheel drawings on stuff. And there on the back it shows the different Hot Wheel Valentine's cards that are in there. So there you go. Those were at Walmart. And if you're lucky enough, a couple of days after Valentine's, they go, really, really cheap. Grab yourself a bunch of them. But usually, I don't get them. Somebody else snacks them. All right, next thing up, tissues from Smart Care. Now, these guys do a lot of different stuff. Smart Care does the Band-Aids. They do, can't call them Band-Aids, but you know what I'm talking about. The all kinds of health care products for, kids. So these are Hot Wheels tissues. I believe my wife got these at the Dollar Tree. So if you want, go down Dollar Tree, check them out. They are really neat. There's 6 of them. There are, there's actually 6 different packages on there. They have, really some really cool ones there. So there you go, 6 different tissue packages. These are Hot Wheels air fresheners. You might have seen them around on the internet here and there, and people have been finding them. Some they've been out for quite a while, but my Walmart, as with the regular Hot Wheels stuff, it took quite a while to get them. So I think they were released, I don't know, back October, November, and I found these in February at my Walmart. So that shows you how far behind my Walmart is. So these are Hot Wheels air fresheners, 2 different styles. Now, I ended up getting this one because it says treasure hunt. Hey, treasure hunt! But, I just like it because it's got the gold on it. It's cool. And I got one for my wife for her new car. So these, this one is a bigger one. This one is a smaller one. And this one you hang from the mirror or wherever you're going to hang your air fresheners. And I remember I had, the little green tree things there. Back when I had my 68 Impala, once it got used up, I'd put them in the trunk. I'd hang them on there was a rod in the back for the spring there. I probably had 100 of them going across the trunk. I probably got a picture of it somewhere. But all them little green trees in the back made the trunk smell pretty good. But this is one you hang on the mirror or wherever. And this is one that you put in your vents. And so when you turn your air on or whatever, it smells pretty good. Now I have no idea what these smell like. There's a little button that says press here. So I'm not going to do it. I have an issue with different smells. My wife always teases me. If I come to your house and you got a red candle burning somewhere, I got to leave, or you got to blow it out, because it just gives me a super instant headache. Terrible, terrible. But I could be out in the shop, and I can have my hands in lacquer thinner and brake fluid and all kinds of stuff, and, you know, don't bother me at all. Put a red candle out there and some, you know, different scents and them little plug-in jobbies. Drive me nuts. But, yeah, my wife says, you're nuts. I am, probably, you know. But, yeah, so check these out at your Walmart Hot Wheels air fresheners. And there you go. Got this in the mail from our good friend Fireball Tim, Fireball Publishing. And it is the new official Superfly Autos coloring book. Now, I got to tell you a little bit about these guys. They're from the UK. And they go all around the world checking out cool cars, cool people with cool cars, and Hot Wheels and Diecast. And they are, you can find them on Instagram, Superfly Auto. And as it says here, this is how we roll, and that's their motto. They, like I said, they go all over the world and show all kinds of cool cars in Hot Wheels and Diecast. And they're actually starting a magazine called Diecast Heroes. You can find that on Instagram also, diecast.heroes. And it is going to be a magazine with custom Hot Wheels and Diecast and all stuff like that. And it involves myself, Fireball Tim Lawrence, and the guys from Superfly Autos. And I believe Bruce Pascal is going to be involved in it. Also Larry Wood. And so keep your eyes open for that. It's something new that's going to be out within the next month or two. All right, so keep your eyes open for that. So let's look in the Superfly coloring book, and you know, all of this stuff is drawn by Fireball Lawrence, and you know, I told you guys about him before. You know, he actually changed his name to Fireball Tim Lawrence, changed his name to Fireball Tim Lawrence. So, but he does a lot of movie cars. I'm sure you've seen a lot of his cars that you don't even know that he did in movies. So these are all the drawings that Tim has done for this. I mean, and this isn't the only coloring book that Tim has done. You know, and he's asked me to do one, and I really don't know what I would have in my coloring book. But this is really, really neat. There's some really, really cool drawings in here, and these are the cars that have been on in the Superfly Autos website, on their Instagram. You know, look them up, Superfly Auto on Instagram. And also Tim, Fireball Tim, has a video every day on his website of someplace cool with cars out there in Malibu and LA and all over California. So check him out too, Fireball Tim. So that is it for our finds this week, other than Diecast. You know, I'm always looking for really cool stuff. And if you guys see something, you know, put it in the comments below. Let me know. You know, I'm gonna go search it out. So tell me if you found something that I don't have. So go from there. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe. And of course, please be kind to one another. Also, check out Superfly Autos and Fireball Tim and Diecast Heroes. All right? So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, we'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.